In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect wired mouse to smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using any mouse with your smart TV through a wired connection is extremely simple. All that you have to do is grab the proper USB cable and plug it into any of the available ports on your TV. So first, check to see if your mouse has a detachable cable. If it is already attached like this one, then you don't have to worry. However, if you have a modern mouse, you might have to plug one end of the cable into the mouse first. So check to see if it has a USB-C port. Usually modern mice will have this port available, while others might have micro USB. Like I said before, this step is only going to be needed if the cable on your mouse is detachable. So you plug one end of the cable into the mouse and the other one goes into the TV. If you have a mouse that already has the cable attached like this one, then you just plug it into directly to the TV. So find a USB port. Because the ports are going to be at the back, sometimes they might not reach. So in that case, it is recommended to grab a USB hub or some form of USB extender so you can use it while far away from the TV. Regardless of how you choose to do it, either by using a USB hub or connecting it directly, all that you have to do is find a USB port on the back of your smart TV. And as soon as you plug it in, assuming that it has modern features, it will give you a cursor and it is going to be usable right away. If a cursor does not appear, it could indicate that either your mouse or the smart TV does not support this functionality. But for basically 99% of modern smart TVs, it's as simple as plugging the cable from the mouse into the TV using any of the available ports. If you have ways to test out if the problem is the mouse by connecting it to different devices, you should go ahead and of course exchange the cable if you notice that it doesn't work right away. Then you will be able to rule out what is giving you problems. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired mouse to smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.